Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to create an empty filament project, the powerful admin panel for Laravel, known for its rapid development and intuitive interface, using Laravel 12. So, let's get started with setting up a filament project from scratch. First, let's create an empty folder for our project and open the terminal inside that folder. Now, we'll generate a fresh Laravel application with the following command. Once the installation is complete, open your project in your preferred code editor. For this tutorial, I'll be using VS Code. Before we proceed, let's run our Laravel application. If you're using Herd as your server, you can add your project there. Otherwise, you can simply use the built-in Laravel development server by running PHP artisan serve. Now, open your browser and navigate to the project URL. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the Laravel welcome page. Now, let's install Filament in our Laravel project. Inside the project folder, run the following command in your terminal. Compose or require filament/filament. Finally, we need to install the Filament panel builder by running the following command. PHP artisan filament install panels and choose a panel ID of your choice that will be used as a route to access the panel later. Once the installation is complete, we can access the Filament admin panel by typing our project URL followed by the panel ID in the browser. Before logging in, we need to create an admin user using the Filament CLI. To do this, run the following command in your terminal. PHP artisan make filament user. You'll be prompted to enter a name, email, and password for the admin account. Once done, head back to the browser, enter your credentials, and log in. And here we are. The Filament admin panel is up and running. You'll notice a clean interface with a light/dark mode switcher, navigation panel, and a powerful UI ready to be customized for your needs. That's it for this setup tutorial. In the next videos, we'll dive deeper into customizing Filament, adding resources, and building a fully functional admin panel. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. That's it. Thanks for watching.